So, we had another Fed increase on the interest rates, and the market loved it. Fucking loved it. Um, Everything's up. Everything in my portfolio, at least, went up today. And you wouldn't think it would, but who knows? Here we are. That's just kind of what happens anymore. You do one thing and you think it's going to happen, and then a whole nother thing happens. So you can't predict the stock market. No one can. Stocks go up, stocks go down, but it's really kind of surprising that just everything that came out, the job market being strong, the wage inflation still going on, but we're headed towards a recession, in my opinion, and we might not quite get the soft landing we were promised, but oh well, here we are. What can you do about it? I don't know if they can raise interest rates again in the short term with the whole bank failing and all that stuff. I don't think they want to risk it. I don't think Jay Powell's gonna do what needs to be done to completely quell this inflation. They're trying and they're doing stuff, but I don't think it's gonna work. Not like this, not with these quarter basis point raises. It's very slow. It should have been, I think they should have kept with the 75 basis points for a long time. And I think the stock market would have not done great, but it would have gotten over it. And we'd be out of this by now. Maybe the shock would have been more severe, but I still remember prices going up, and looking at fast food and McDonald's, for instance, you can't get a McDouble for $1 now, even though that's not a great sandwich. Rather have the double cheeseburger, but that's just me. I'd rather have a single cheeseburger than a McDouble. But I just think fast food's one of the easier kind of things people can relate to. Also, just pound of ground beef, it's like $6 now, when it used to be like $2.50, $3 not that long ago, pre-2020. But again, here we are. Who knows how long it's going to be for. I think they could have reacted faster. I, once again, think they could have just maybe not given out as much money, not started it in the first place, but whatever. Now we just have to deal with that. Nothing's going back to the way it was ever. That's just not how it works in society. We never had deflation. So we'll just have to deal with this, and this is just the new kind of normal for now. Hopefully this has cooled off and will continue to cool off, and we can get back to that, like, they say 2% is the target, but even like 2.5%, 3% would be very welcome after our supposed 9%, which, I don't know, feels like a lot more than that. Feels a lot closer to like 20% on most of the stuff that matters. So, oh well, guess we'll get more rates. They say one more, but I think we're gonna need a couple more 25 rate increases before this is really done and put to rest, and I hope they do what needs to be done, even in the face of regional banks failing. It sucks, but we need inflation down and dealt with for the most part. I mean, it's just been ridiculous. You all know that.